see this? You see this? You see this? My tip. Hey guys, it's your boy Labali. So part 3 of the pack opening. So let's go. Okay, Nyla. Magic. Inform. Insignia. Oh yeah, Inform Insignia. He's not the best, but he does have 90 pace. So CDM Inla, goddamn. What I was having. Okay. Oh, Alex! I just realized it. Striker. Close! Ivanovic as well, not that bad. Okay, got in. Not that bad. Just got good. Tove. So if I can't pronounce it, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, left mid. Oh, come on, Nani. For a second, I thought it was Ronaldo. And I know you did as well. Don't lie for me. Okay, striker. Laurent, okay. He is the slowest person. No, he is the striker. No. Left mid. Nani again. Come on. I go, okay. No. None there. CGM. Okay. Hazard! Welcome to your one. None there again. Bullet. Oh, vampire! Oh. Shoot. Okay. Savage. Okay. Hope you like this video and see you.